Hey, gearheads! Welcome back to Autoverse Authority, your ultimate pit stop for the best automotive products out there. In today's video, we're diving into the top 5 best remote control cars that's turning heads and boosting performance. After hours of research and testing, I've handpicked the top choices for every kind of buyer, whether you're chasing value, performance, or a unique feature. Links to these products with the latest deals are waiting for you in the description below. Smash that like button, drop a comment, and hit subscribe to fuel your passion for all things auto. Let's rev it up and get started. In our list, the number 1 product name is WIAORCHI Brushless Remote Control Car. This 1/14 scale brushless remote control car is designed for adults seeking high performance and extreme terrain driving. Built with a focus on power and durability, this 4x4 electric truck delivers thrilling action with its advanced structure and engineering. Its high-torque motor, combined with a waterproof receiver and electronic speed controller, allows powerful movement on various surfaces, including dirt, snow, and sand. Made from aluminum alloy, the chassis uses 6061 grade material to enhance strength and reduce impact damage during fast rides. It includes metal internal components such as steel universal drive shafts and gearbox parts for extended durability. The composite brace and laser-etched center body support reinforce the frame to tackle rough conditions with less wear over time. Pushing over 50 miles per hour, this remote control truggy offers serious speed thanks to its 3-cell battery support. Dual batteries help extend driving sessions up to 44 minutes, allowing more time to explore off-road paths without frequent charging breaks. It comes with multi-terrain airless tires measuring 111 mm, which make it suitable for running across grass, gravel, and muddy landscapes. The built-in high-performance suspension helps reduce shaking during movement and gives stability when navigating uneven tracks. A 2.4 GHz transmitter offers control at over 300 feet with adjustable throttle options for beginners. From new users to seasoned hobbyists, this remote control truck brings excitement with its high power, speed, and strong design built for outdoor adventures. In our list, the number 2 product name is WIAORCHI Brushles Remote Control Car. The HyperGo H16BM 1/16 scale brushless remote control truck delivers fast off-road excitement for adults who enjoy powerful driving on different surfaces. This electric vehicle is built with a 4-pole high-torque motor supported by metal cooling elements, which helps maintain performance during intense operation. It is designed with a 45-ampere electronic speed controller and an independent receiver that supports future upgrades, offering flexibility for advanced users. Its transmission uses durable metal gears and a strong metal differential system to better distribute power to all 4 wheels. The 5.5 mm axle and M4 nuts further support strength and stability. With 16 ball bearings in the build, power loss is reduced while keeping the movement smooth. The chassis is developed from advanced honeycomb structure material made to handle heavy impacts. Zinc metal reinforcement on the front and rear increases durability, and adjustable pull rods crafted from the same material improve steering and control. A 3-wire servo with 2.1 kg force-centimeter torque ensures reliable response on varied terrains. Equipped with oil-filled shock absorbers and sponge-inserted tires, the truck holds steady during jumps and rough turns. It supports 2-cell and 3-cell lithium polymer batteries, reaching a maximum speed of over 42 miles per hour under optimal conditions. A 2.4 GHz 3-channel transmitter includes a throttle limiter switch set at 70%, helping beginners gain control before unleashing full speed on dirt, sand, or pavement trails. In our list, the number 3 product name is BEZGAR 4WD Brushless Remote Control Car. The BEZGAR HP 161S 1/16 scale 4-wheel drive brushless remote control vehicle is designed for outdoor action with strong parts and powerful speed. It runs on an 11.1-volt 3-cell modular lithium battery made with fire retardant materials for safer and longer performance. The advanced structure allows this off-road unit to move through snow, mud, and wet areas while keeping speed stable. Its motor, marked as 2845, includes cooling fins and a built-in fan to manage heat. A 45-ampere electronic speed control, fitted with an aluminum heatsink, supports continuous power for rough surface driving. With splash-proof protection, this off-road unit gives consistent control during various weather conditions. For smoother movement, the car features oil-filled metal shock absorbers and durable gears. Adjustable tie rods and strong metal drive shafts handle jumps and sudden drops without damage. Reinforced body structure helps with impact resistance during stunts and bashing. This model reaches a maximum of 68 kilometers per hour when driven under proper conditions using a 3-cell battery. A 2.4 GHz radio controller allows multiple users to race at the same time, reaching distances of up to 250 feet. The dual throttle settings allow experienced users to drive at full speed, while beginners can select 70% speed for easier handling. With large tires, strong body, and clear front lights, it suits both new hobbyists and experienced users looking for exciting driving on mixed surfaces. In our list, the number 4 product name is QUNREDA LED remote control car. The QUNREDA remote control stunt vehicle offers a fun and active play experience for children between 6 and 12 years old. This 4-wheel drive unit comes with 2 detachable lithium batteries, each with 500 mAh capacity, providing a total of nearly 50 minutes of entertainment when used back-to-back. The modular design allows children to swap batteries quickly without tools. Its charging method uses a modern Type-C connection that works with devices like mobile phones and computers. This makes recharging simple and helps reduce waiting time between uses. The battery is protected inside a strong ABS shell for safe handling during play. The remote controller uses 2 buttons to perform exciting stunts, including complete 360-degree flips and various spins. It operates on a 2.4 GHz system that gives stable connection up to 50 meters, so more than one car can run at once without control conflict. The design includes red LED headlights for clear navigation and solid tires for better grip on different grounds. Whether on carpet, grass, sand, or rough trails, it stays steady and responsive to user control. Its impact resistance helps prevent damage during bumps or falls. This unit is ready for play directly from the package. It includes the car, controller, batteries, Type-C charger, and extra tools needed. The simple layout and creative functions encourage problem solving and coordination. A great choice for birthday or holiday gifts, this product supports long hours of enjoyable and skill-building activity indoors and outdoors. In our list, the number 5 product name is TENSSENX Scale Remote Control Car. This 1/4 scale remote control truggy brings high excitement with fast movement and all-terrain capability. Its strong design supports outdoor adventures through snow, rocky hills, sandy paths, and muddy roads. The waterproof system protects important parts while allowing this unit to drive over tough surfaces without stopping. The raised base gives more clearance, helping it handle uneven ground. The power system uses a reliable brushed motor combined with a waterproof electronic speed controller that creates fast torque, and strong pickup. A metal heatsink helps keep the temperature steady, avoiding shutdown from heat. With dual power cells, the truck can run for nearly 1 hour without pause, delivering more value during long use. The driving unit uses a 2.4 GHz transmitter that offers up to 300 feet of control range, making it possible to enjoy open areas freely. The throttle range is changeable from 70 to 100%, which supports both new and experienced users. Its steering is helped by sponge-lined wheels and shock units that reduce vibration during fast runs. Tires can be changed depending on the surface. Whether it is a beach, garden, trail, or backyard, the grip remains strong. A bumper on the front helps in collision safety while driving through barriers or corners. The body uses aluminum and composite material for better wear protection. This remote control truck includes bright LED lights that help with night fun and offer an extra cool appearance. The modular frame also makes it easy to upgrade or fix parts. Thanks for watching our full videos. Don't forget to subscribe our channel and check link the description below. Goodbye and take care. See you in the new video.